When you're pushing for that next move, you got to take it boldly where no man has gone before, or at least that I've seen. So we're gonna push it to the next stage on both wheels. We've altered the plan. Now we're gonna go with a new plan. Oh yeah, what a difference a little bit of time makes. Broke down, getting ready for the paint. Man, telling you, we're gonna push to a new level. The new level is to outdo this. Because this outdid that. This outdid this. This outdid this. This was the beginning, foundation. So we went from here, here, to here, to here, to here. So the goal is step it up. So we're gonna see how this works out. Keeping it pushing. MSI. You know who it'd be. Okay, so we got 2 bags with lids, 1 rear fender.
Hold on.
Okay, going too fast for you?
Speaker cover.
Yep.
For the...
Yes.
Two side covers.
Correct.
Two
rear tail light covers.
And then you also have a license plate.
Yeah,
cover.
the light cover for it. Yeah. Oh,
You got a tank.
1 tank.
The dash.
The dash is just there because you needed to.
I'm not painting.
No, not painting that. I'm leaving majority of everything chrome.
You know what size that helmet is?
XL. Yeah, it's XL.
And it's a
D.
HD. Go to the easy one, the fairing.
Inner and outer.
In and out.
Mm-hmm.
Whatever these are.
Lowers, right and left.
Called lower fairing.
Lower fairing. Yeah, we'll call it lower fairing. We got
This is the
glove
speaker.
glove box. Let's call this up. Call them. Yeah, we can call them fairing glove box.
Lower fairing.
Glove box.
Two of those.
Yes. You have upper fairing windshield holders. I guess that's what these are called. There's two of those.
Spacers.
Okay. Spacer for windshield.
There's two of those. The
The
used to be a gauge cover, but
yeah.
now it's a bar cover.
Bar cover, yeah. Got the
Air vent cover.
air vent cover, yeah. Front fender?
Stock.
Yes.
Front fender.
You got the gas tank already?
Like that.
Okay, we have tour pack, upper and bottom tour pack. Oh, you have glove box doors too. They should be somewhere around here. It's two of those glove box doors.
I've seen if I wrote it. I didn't write it. Fairing in or out. Video. Try it. Yeah, the wetness changes it.